Hello and welcome to Cash Tech. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to use your Android phone as a USB drive, just like a pen drive would act. I'll show you how to use your Android phone as a USB drive. So first up, we need an app called Drive Droid. So we'll hit the Play Store, search for it and download, and we'll just launch it. It's a free app, you don't need to pay anything. I guess they have a pro version as well, but we won't require that. That's just, supporting the developers. So first up, it will welcome you, so we'll just press next, and now it will ask for root access. So the most important thing is that your phone should be rooted. So I'll grant root access. If your phone is not rooted, I'll suggest you to use Google and search on how to root your device. A specific tutorial will be there. So now we'll select the image directory. The directory where Drive Droid will store its files. So I'll select some directory. Now it will ask us to plug in the USB cable so that it might detect. I'll just plug in, so it has detected. Now you have to select the USB system, select any one of the three. So I'll select the first one. Next up, we'll just press next. In the boot category, just select the first option. If it doesn't work, then try others, but I guess the first one will work. Alright, so we're here now. The setup is complete. We'll hit the plus button, so it will give you two options. You can download images as well, and you can create your own. So if you want a pre-made USB image, you just hit the download option. Otherwise, we will create a new USB drive here. So I'll select 4 gigs here. You can leave the rest empty, the partition type, or you can select FAT as well. So the image creation process has already started. It's gonna take some time, so I'll just speed up the things here. It's not gonna take that long also, but still. Alright, our image has been created. Now we'll just click it, and you have to select writable. In case you want to write something to it, then you have to select it as mount as writable USB storage. Alright, we'll head to our computer screen now. Here it will show this device is not recognized, so don't worry, just hit format the disk and wait for it to format. It's formatting, and the formatting has been completed. It has formatted it with the FAT32 partition scheme, so you'll be able to see the drive here now. So it's empty as it should be, and the size is 4 gigs as we specified on our phone. So let's try to copy some files to this. Just check in. So I'll just copy this file and paste it to my USB drive. And now we'll disconnect our phone to see if after reconnecting the file is still there. So I'll just go ahead and disconnect my phone. Here we go, I've disconnected it, it's gone. Now I'll reconnect, and now you can see after I open this, the file is still there. So this thing is actually working as a USB drive. So now let's try make a bootable pen drive with it. So I'll hit up Rufus. I make bootable devices usually with Rufus. I have actually made a separate tutorial on how to make a USB bootable drive, so you can go ahead and watch it. So here I'll just select any of the OSs, and you don't have to do anything else. Just start, okay, right in legacy mode or whatever it is. Alright, this formats the disk. This is just a warning, so it's gonna take a bit. So I'll just speed up the video. Alright, so it's almost there. So to check if your USB drive has been created, this creation is successful, and if it's bootable, we'll just go ahead and look the files inside the drive now. So you can see the EFI folder and boot folder, everything is there. So this signifies that this thing is a bootable pen drive. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.